Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about last function to filter last 6 months of data from the order date in Tableau. So let me remove all this and I will do from scratch. So I will delete this calculated field last function. So now I will drag this order date in a row shelf, select this month and make it to discrete. Then I will drag sales in text. So to create a calculated field, click on this drop down and click on create calculated field, and I will name it as last function. So I will use this last function which will returns the number of rows from the current row to the last row in the partition. So click on OK and drag this last function onto the view. So now there are 47 rows in this view from 0 to 47. So to get last 6 months data from this order date, I need to give in the expression has last less than or equals to 5, so that I can get the last 6 months data. So edit this last function calculation and less than or equals to 5. Click on OK and keep this last function in filters now. Click on true and click on OK. So now you can get last 6 months sales from order date. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.